This oven-baked chicken tastes just like you fried it. And we've actually had people ask, did you fry this? So I'm going to start off with 8 chicken thighs. If you're following along, you want to make sure you trim all the excess fat off of those chicken thighs. I've got a 9x13 baking dish. You do not have to oil this. We are going to season this with some seasoned salt. I can't tell you how much I use, just season with love. You do want to go a little bit light on the seasoned salt. If you need exact measurements, I would not go over 1.5 teaspoons of that seasoned salt. Then you are going to need some Cajun seasoning. We like this Cajun seasoning by Tony Chachere's, no salt, and you can be generous with this because there's no salt. And then I just like to rub it in. Set your timer for 30 minutes, take it out of the oven, and then you're just going to baste this with the chicken fat in the bottom of the 9x13. This helps to keep it moist while it's baking. And then once you've got this basted with that chicken fat, then you are going to put this back in the oven on 350 degrees for another 30 minutes. After that 30 minutes is up, you will need to drain the fat out of the bottom of the 9x13, and voila, this is ready to serve. This is so scrumptious. We like to have it sometimes with salad on the side or maybe even a baked potato. This is my husband's recipe, and this is a definite keeper. You won't believe how good this chicken is.